Hi! In front of me is OPPO A77s, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Apps section. Then click on App Cloner and tap on one of your available apps that you wish to clone, like WhatsApp. To create app clone, click on this gray sweater and wait. Then adjust those two options. You can rename your app however you wish to and save your new name by tapping on Save. And also adjust when using quick functions by tapping on the best option for you. In my case, open main app. So when I go back, as you can see, my WhatsApp was successfully cloned. In order to delete your clone, access the same settings and tap on No blue sweater next to Create App Clone. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!